It's a motherfucking English conference, you know. MC to my left, just
fans know I'm better too. I got them hooked on my shit like crack addicts. Yeah, they only spit when I'm in the mood. You do it every time, but you still bad at it. Splash, motherfucker, you ain't the shit. Compared to me, you a bitch. I don't step in the scene, I crash in.
Kris, KDC Studios. Shout out sa tanan homies na ako na dili karon. First time na meet dito. Lock bro. Hi mom.
Show more light.
Hey yo, I'm Diddle yo. I know most of you don't know me. So sa Bisaya lang. Yo, I'm Diddle. Ibalik lang mo kay Moran. I'm Diddle and I'm back. And shoutouts to everyone here. Shoutouts to Ima G, Kurt Villarreal, and everyone in Ill. Shoutouts to Kris for being a good enemy because he's not like a dick and all. So I hope you enjoy the shit that we're gonna do tonight. Thank you.
shoutout sa lahat ng hood na ilan mayo.
You want the point toss. He decided Kris to go first. Yo, listen.
Listen! Shut the motherfucking up!
Round one for Kris change.
Hey yo, come on. Okay, let's start. Diddle, right? Diddle. Nice name, bro. With all those letter D's in the name. Yo, Diddle, right? Nice name, bro. With all those letter D's in your name, you're lucky I'm not seeing you. Be there! No, fuck that. Yo, it's Trono here. After I made a toast for cheers, I stepped on stage to toast a cheerleader. No Tyrannosaurus here, but it feels like I went back in time just to roast a meat eater. No. Dude, you've been gone for years. Someone told me you've been dodging the tough guys. So what? You're back because the coast is clear? So I'm not tough? Well, I'm not PewDiePie. You're gonna get more than a bro fist here. Yo. So I'm not gonna be an idiot like you and fucking talk about alchemy. I'm not even gonna do girlfriend bars since you don't look like you have any. But I do know you're a mama's boy. Alright, you're my mama's boy. I know the next scenario, you're gonna make it seem like the shit ain't true. And what about your back? I know the next scenario, you're gonna make it seem like the shit ain't true. And what about your battles with Cross and Mario? Why the fuck was your mom with you? It's been years since those fights, and yeah, I'ma still bring up the issue. I know you're gonna do fast versus tonight, cause like before, you still got a curfew. Performance-wise, I'll please the mic and appease the crowd. But Diddle, you're weak, you fight with a cheesy mouth. Getting you and your homies here was a setup, like feeding the mice to sweep them out. Truth is, you're not welcome here like Jesus Christ in Rodrigo's house. Itamigo ka po, ano? Yo, you know we both got two first names, Christian Carl. Now before you use that to make fun of me, just know that your parents knew you grew up to be a hoe, that's why your initials are double D. Dale Daryl. Wait, Dale? Daryl? Like the show? Holy shit, damn! I ain't killed you twice yet, but you got the names of two walking dead men. Yo, looks like you're done wearing double XLs and sweatpants, but are you and Gus Bar done stuffing each other's asses with pickles and eggplants? For goodness sake, man. So once again, I'm gonna call you a cheerleader. Not because the Ayabagamoto put me in a rap loop, but because I know you left the rap game for that stupid dance group. I'm grade A, yo. Wonder why I know that. I'm grade A, yo. Yeah. I don't want to go over the lyrics. Shut the motherfucker. No. So, I'm grade A, you don't belong in my class. Don't you know insulting it is that you in the class would mean actually believing I'm a rapper that you can surpass? For goodness sake, little ass, you do not want me to take you back to England and show Big Ben of your ass. English division, right? Well, I got this. No, wait a minute. I think that was Scotty. Anyway, like if you know a big brother fact, you finally got balls to stand out. After being so good at hiding, like the current drug lords in Davao. You want to battle back all because you started fading? This is hell's court now. I'ma have you feeling like you're balling with Satan. And spitting hot shit is how the devil dribbles. Lift my middle finger each round, I'ma kill you triple. Hey yo, listen, gentle people. Do you know this dude smells like my butt? Diddle, diddle, diddle. Calm down. Diddle, diddle. You think you can score a demon, you retard? Hell no. This nerd does sorcery bars and yet Dumbledore can't even spell go. Don't even bother trying to score the net. Even if you try for a rebound, you fail, bro. A bit foul, but for real though. Bitches don't like you, they just like your name cause it sounds like dildo. Hey yo, Stephen John, forgive me if I'm gonna dig up and shed some light on a few archives. Forgive me if I'm gonna dig up and shed some light on a few archives. But it feels weird battling a dildo after beating the broken vibrator bad vibes. I'm a Trono back home, did you miss me? What the fuck's going on? Get your boring ass on back to Pokemon Mystic. I bet you got Illumi's mindset and you listen to all my songs to diss me. That's right, all my songs to diss me. You better wish you did though, cause battling prestige like fucking with no condom on is risky. Now I'ma end this round here so this piece of shit can continue. I just serve your ass like Nick's already got your name in the menu. But watch out, nephew, the big boys don't cry out for rescue. You better man up or I'm gonna make you back out in the next two. Cause you ain't in Xavier University. With this dropout could X you.
Lapit. Round 1 para kang Diddle. Let's go.
Hey yo, I feel no fear. Yes, I was gone for a few years, but it wasn't because I was dodging bullets. I just want to make myself a chemical engineer. I'm sorry if you dropped out, that ain't my fault, bro. Maybe you just wanted to be hip-hop and all. But even if you think that you're rough, yeah, my name sounds like Dildo, because I'm about to fuck this pussy up. Yo, listen, Diddle's back in action. You've been gone for a while. I've been gone for so long, I don't even know where the crown has been assigned. But I don't mind the thought of the grind, cause I'm about to revive the schemes I designed. Make the pride of those who are lying rock, cause the true king has arrived. Prepare your ears as you'll hear a dense rhyme scheme. Thanks to my intense mind genes, it's like you sense rocking. It is on the loose again, cause it's been so long since you benched my team. As I cleanse the stream, and in your dream, I'm gonna reign supreme. For today I see clowns, God be crowned. They better mock me now, cause I cause faces to melt like Salvador Dali style. I throw punches manyer than Muhammad Ali, that he's so bowed. Cause that's what I'm about, pursue what's not allowed. Fuck with so many people, I made Mahatma Gandhi pout. Cause in my zip-top form, I'm a zip-zap storm. Even Vikings drown, or your imagery is shit and yet the lighting's brown. Kris, we are not equal. I'm colossal, you're minuscule. You better exit stage left, you should ridicule. Cause if you stay here, you'll be ridiculed like being bullied by every tool in your school for being never cool. Fight me and you'll feed me fuel. Spit so much fire, you'll be choking in the fuse. You're a fool, cause even if you had a punch of 60 joules, a box of 50 tools, and a pack of zombie ghouls, you're still as deep as a motherfucking kiddie pool. So here's the rule, leave my court immediately cause I am here to rule. Cause you need to know, even if I'm within your fatal reach, cause you need to know, even if I'm within your fatal reach, can't fade all this. Cause you just fake your shit while being the same old bitch. Check how my lyricism flow and punches as I'll improve tenfolds each. While you still choke and say check it so many times so like a grade school teach. I'll make you kiss my ass like an anal leech. Oh shit, I think this faggot's best, but I don't give a fuck cause when a pencil speaks, I make him realize that my words are divine like a papal speech. Cause it's my illustrate to illustrate the sickest ways to make my enemy leave this industry. Like maybe I'll steal him mace to Chris's face or use him as the star on top of a Christmas tree on Jesus Day. That's December 25th, you didn't get the date. Battling me was a big mistake. This is survival of the fittest, mate. So it's in order for me to serve you in the biggest trade. Cause in the league, dude, you got the weirdest name. You call yourself Kris Change, but since day one, your talent and skill never had any slightest change. Sound.
Good shit. Round 2 for Kris Change. Let's go.
Yo, hold up. I'm gonna do some rebuts, right? I'm gonna do some rebuts, so don't use that, don't add it to the time. When you said that my style ain't changed, motherfucker, you blew it. I can say my style ain't changed, I barely got time to show it. Motherfucker, you called me a choke artist. I pitied my opponents. I was worried for my opponents, that's why I was a choke artist. I kept swallowing St. Elmo's fire, trying not to be cold-hearted. Oh, shit! Look, here's another one. I knew it. I fucking knew it. There's no time limit. There should be. I knew it. I'm gonna ask you a question. You better answer this shit. How can you win this battle if you can't even make a direct hit? What I'm trying to say is that, yo, honestly, look, boy, I am Kris, but this ain't the buzz. Obviously, you know that, right, cuz? Because you barely talk about anything personal. You've been gone for so long, fuck your stock bars for being so universal. Yeah. Get it? Don't you get it? Fuck your stock bars for being so universal. Yeah, sorry. Alright. Yeah. Fuck your stock bars for being so universal. Hold on. Alright, I'ma skip it. Look, isn't it true that your crew used to edit and upload the videos for Rapaticos? Isn't it true that you had a beef with Rhyme Icon and you deleted the videos just because? Oh shit. Tell them what you did for the rap game. Go ahead, tell them, Dale. You treat it like a broke man's pregnant home, make it seem like it's her fault, then bail. Thankfully, it's time for change. Now we can beef with freedom. If any MC declares war with me, I still upload their videos and never delete them. And, yo, hey, by the way, did you really compare yourself to Eminem in your battle with Izod? My God, you do not want this cameraman to hit you with a tripod. And one, son, because you do multis, that's downright dumb. Correct me if I'm wrong. Eminem had a hype man, you got a hype mom. Yo, go on now. Do you think just because you got a big TV head you be compared to a champ? Don't even call yourself a marksman. You more like a bitch librarian with stamps. And FJ, well, I'm sorry, but my lord, man, you like bad vibes. Only good at rhyming words that end with I-O-N. No, you can't fucking do it. You can't fool a dude whose mind is open. And my mind is wide open. I'm not afraid of you. I'm more afraid of the loose on stick shampoo. It's got a formula called Biotin. You like that shit. You're smiling. So you like that shit. You're smiling. Yo. You're smiling, so you like that shit. I don't like that shit because you ain't right in the head. And fuck all the times you felt like a celeb, because it turns out most of his old bars came right from the web. Yo, you want a sample? Look, YOLO, I'm gonna destroy the screen, call me Frodo. Yo, Frodo? No, you're right, you're fucking right. You look and even sound like Frodo when Ashton Kutcher punked him and cried. So how can you say you're the best when it comes to rap schemes? You're a plagiarist pest from old jokes to bad memes. I'm not a troll or a stalker, Diddle, that's your hobby. But I still know how to grab a few angles from a shapeless nobody. Your course is engineering, right? Rebut. Your course is engineering, right? So how can that be fair? It's got more angles than me. 2 triangles, a protractor, and a T-square. Real talk. If this battle's all about who has more angles, then I'm I'm a producer, y'all. I do tracks and videos. What the fuck do you do? I'm a shit. I'm the shit. You a feces. If it's gonna be a rematch, make sure to treat it as a thesis. Yo. Real talk. Real talk. A few weeks ago in that event, he did some spoken poetry. He did some spoken poetry. Nice. Real talk. Nice. Represent. But this is what pissed me off really. He stepped on stage looking all cool with his mic and broadcast. Then he said, forgive me if I'm gonna be too fast for you people to understand. It's cause I'm battle rap. Wait, cause you battle rap? Yo, are you nuts? Fucker, are you insane? Stupid motherfuckers like you give rappers a bad name. He started yapping and the whole time everybody was just glaring, waiting for him to start disappearing. And like some people I know, his homies in the front row are the only people cheering. It's cause you battle rap? Wow, that shit is heavy. If I was as boastful and self-centered as you, I'd finish the Cataclysm mixtape already.
Round 2 for Diddle. Shut the fuck up, hey, let's go!
This dude told me that I don't make any direct hits. When you were doing punchlines, did you really have to explain your shit? And it's like you're painting a picture that bringing your parents here is a bad idea. Is that the picture that I'm seeing? If that's the case, then you're hurting Supremo's feelings. Because if Tupac was proud of his mom, then I'm proud of. I'm the son that he brought in this world. I don't care what you say here. I ain't gonna falter. So you said that I'm a chemical engineering and I play with angles. Dude, there, you're wrong there. That's simply why you choke. We don't play with angles. We play with the drugs that everybody smokes. So if you think that I'm a lightweight just because poets try, what the fuck did I just say? I just lose myself. If you think that personals are the only way to attack a person, then that's the reason why you need the help. Because if you think that personals are the only way to maim and lame the enemy, then you're the one who's lame. So here I am. I'm gonna admit, I tried to quit rap when I lost the tryouts. Hey yo! Hold on, bitch. Hey yo! I'll admit, I tried to quit rap and lost the tryouts in Flip Top. I thought I'd pack up and skedaddle and just forget and leave hip-hop. Somewhere in me that time believed that this game wasn't meant for me. Cause shit got out of hand real fast because in freestyling I was whack. I was sad because I lost the tryouts, goddamn, but later that year I realized, fuck that. Today doesn't need to be the day that they crown me. If the game is crowded, then I'll get rowdy with anyone who doubts me all around me. I'm a lightning in a bottle, so there's no way that you can ground me. Tagalog, English, Bisaya, no language bounds me. So I run the race in 3 ways. You could call me Iron Man, but you're the one who's going down, eh? Cause your basic bio got flaccid lines that are rancid lies. You having bars that is something that is fantasized, cause your fucking rhymes are fucking randomized. If you want to be an ass, then I can be a dick. Prepared to be yo. If you want to be an ass, then I can be a dick. Prepared to be sodomized. Even if you pray to the Father, Christ, and the Holy Spirit, it won't suffice. Cause I could take your breath away like a roller coaster ride or a poltergeist. For you, these are morbid times, so don't bar to lives or throw the plastic dice. Cause I don't need to be authorized by them older guys to murder. I've been sharpening my tongue, even my stanzas last. I scandalize. Eat you like pancit rice and salted fries while I drop you hard like the product price when the economy stabilized. The crowd I tend to tantalize cause I connect lines as if I solder wires. And they know that my punches could change the shape of your face like contour lines. So don't push me, I'm at the borderline of committing a massive crime. So don't push me, I'm at the borderline of committing a massive crime. Cause I got a rabid style of shooting rapid fire projectiles at 40 miles. Or drop a putrid bottle of acid vial and go to any padded hide. So faggot hide, but you won't succeed. Cause I see everything about this ring like Sauron's eye. But if you haven't noticed, this tree rabbit wanna be looks like a real rabbit. Whenever he smiles, he causes the crowd to feel panic. We don't steal the fuels, you could actually kill faggots. Your bars ain't hard, but you teach your hard like worth 23 carats. You can't even fucking break those with a steel mallet. Girls, that's it. If you see him walking behind you looking all ecstatic, shaking like a pale addict, just throw him 3 peeled carrots and run faster than Sonic. Because we don't have to be battling for me to point out that those are some big ass teeth. And you act so tough, but you so thin, you need protein. Don't act hard, because my balls are like King Kong's thing, while yours is like the plaything of a Chinese ping pong team. Yes, I spit obscene. So don't be surprised when I say that you choke a lot, it's like a fucking deep throat scene.
Last round for Kris, change. Shut the motherfucking up. Let's go.
Yo, once again, you better answer this shit. How can you win a battle if you can't make the red hits? I mean, for goodness sake, man, you're the worst. Lightning in a bottle, that don't exist. Do your research. Hey, yo, third round. Alright, so I voted for Daryl on first, second, and third. I could not understand a single verse. That's why I think he has deeper words. And fuck that! And fuck that. Look at him acting like a racer that won the Piston Cup. Like Big Dazzly's pup, you make the crowd grit their teeth. Like when the fuck is this bitch gonna stop? Felt like watching Star Wars porn. Too much fiction, fuck. No gay shit, but you need to adjust and fix your dick shit up. Yo, and put some charm into it, the Casanova. You remind me of Ron Weasley. It's Liviosa, not Liviosa. Yo, Liviosa. Look, loser, if I was a lowlife like you, I'd link that line with Supernova. It'd be on Galactical and shit. But if you want to be a dude like me, you gotta be more practical, bitch. What's wrong, Daryl? I thought you had an intelligent side. Knock, knock. Benjamin 1? No intelligent side? They say glow connects people, so yesterday I bought you a sense of after the night you can text and call your family that you had to die. And if they ask you why, just tell them I had bars and performance. That's both edges sharpened, bitch. I'm worse than Bible side. A backstabbing basher against a well-known slasher. I got no game, I'll take out my blade, cut you up twice in a gangster manner. We both make art. Look. We both make art when in a rap game all you do is doodle. This is my own knowledge and passion versus YouTube and Google. Fluffy bitch. I'd rather say toodles and waste my time with Yankee Doodle. I call you illiterate for not knowing that when Chris James spits angry, that's the definition of brutal. I'm sick and tired of all these wannabes always asking to be my pupil. This is why when you sent me a friend request, I gave it no approval. Now you know. Whenever you try to stalk fast, you make yourself look like a rabbit in a horse rack. But like Aquaman, your rapids don't affect me, so hop back. Just like Flash, I'm a lot quicker. But if I give a sample, the judges ain't gonna get that. And that's true shit. So be like Brainiac and don't be stupid. Stiff and strong, this is a mismatch, and again, it's your fault. Next time, don't pick up a crumpled paper and throw it against the stone wall. And about that dude who said no, fuck Messenger, give that punk a phone call. See, I did not want to battle this bitch, but Iceberg lost all his fucking snowballs. Your crew did us wrong before. Your crew did us wrong before. But no need to get on your knees. We already forgave you, but don't deny it, please. Besides, you're gonna win tonight too. So put your mind at ease. Cause for all I know, the judges might want me to lose as a sign of peace. Yo, last lines? Damn. Man, you smell like bathed in caviar. Look at how embarrassed you are. I guess you wanna go home sad and you're gonna rip this date off the calendar. What, you never rode a bike before? Is that why you never handled bars? Like my girlfriend's motherfucking ex with a flashy car, I'm gonna take a fucking knife and stab your heart. Golden friendship, you don't have a part. Look, you got trashy bars, no one feels you here. You got trashy bars, no one feels you here. You're sick, but no shift of medicine, you wouldn't pass the bar in a million years. You got rappy bars, what for? You can't spit and clear. Real put, easily put, you can suck your own dick while you're hot to the exit and get the fuck out of here.
Time. Yo, last round for Diddle. Let's go.
Hey yo, I'm not gonna record all anything. Yo. Hey guys. objective here wasn't to win. I got a deeper message. So, to the eyes of the new ones, I may seem like an overconfident dude bucking too loudly. To the eyes of the old, I may seem like an extinguished flame who burnt out too quickly. But hear ye, I'm neither of the two. I'm a slow-rooted strength quietly. This seeming underdog, the state underground, waiting for the perfect opportunity. Now awakened by immunity in the tomfoolery of motherfucking wannabes, I'm astonished by the grudgery. Hey yo, I'm astonished by the grudgery committed in our community. It's a fucking eyesore when I saw videos of retards battling foolishly, spitting on this sacred ground, spitting whack rhymes, showing off endlessly. They're making a mockery out of our art form, and for that I'm not backing off peacefully, so I'm back to control the quality. Yes, I got no sympathy, because all I got is the remedy. So take it from me, to all the whack... Wait, what the fuck is the camera? So to all the whack battlers, if you're just gonna come here unprepared, take it from me and get the fuck out immediately, or I'll take care of you personally. Hey yo! Yo! Take it from me and get the fuck out immediately, or I'll take care of you personally. And you wouldn't want that, because normally the dudes that I go up against with don't reach the infirmary, because the wounds that I inflict don't remain eternally. Hey yo, so I'm just here, trying to prove that I'm not...
Yo, respect. Yo, bitch ass.
Internally. Because I got Tupac philosophy. I'm smooth like Hennessy. I'm a Snoop Dogg pure breed pedigree who's got painting images with Kanye's imagery. I spit on anyone's grave like Ice Cube on a eulogy. And if you think that I can touch you, then you can be MC Hammer. I'm Eminem with his divinity. Because if you think that you can come here battling looking like a fool, then motherfucker, you're just looking like a careless tool. Everybody here is trying their best to improve the culture, and you just come in here treating it like a unholy sepulcher. I think it's a poker, I don't give a fuck. Because I didn't come here to win. Actually, I wanted to come here to give mad respect to Stiff, to Kris, everybody here, because they're trying to keep everything alive. I tried to quit rap because everything was just a fucking strife, my life. I fucking broke up with my girlfriend. I fucking failed the grade. I fucking lost a grade. I fucking lost at Flip Top. But everything isn't ending for me. I'm just coming here just to remind everyone that I can still be sharp even if I was gone for a while. So everybody, before I get mad and before Kris gets mad and I release your songs, better get your shit together, because this is Rap Batikos Trono sa Oro and it's game on. Time.
Let's go! Alright, okay.
SLPG Rap Batikos Trono sa Oro present 10th March. Result.
God. 3-2 for Kris Change.
Oh, what the fuck?
Judges.
Bro. Oh, shit. Sorry for that shit, man. I had a third round, but I was like, I had finals this week, and wala ko yung time mag-memorize sa third round, so rather just like fuck shit up, impromptu shit na lang ko. Pero honestly, mo to ang reason na battle good actually. Dili tungod kay I felt like I was fading, but more like to give props kay Murag. Nag-try gapon sila bitaw. I saw the effort, and that requires props good way. Like, wala na joke way. That's no char. Sorry kay kung nag-drama ko, wala nang gano'n akong self bitaw.
Drama boy.
God damn, man. I'm gonna tune in the future.
Yo, Diddle, thanks sa battle, bro. Actually, magyatag ni mo. I demand a fucking rematch. Kaya mag-record siya sa ako, mo na yung gyatag sa ako ng battle. Honestly po, gusto ko rematch. Hindi ko mag-show. Actually, daghan na ako yung 4th round. It was the 3rd round. I-rebat na ako yung 4th round. Yeah, KDC Studios, Kris Change. B. Randy, thank you, bro. SOTG, bro. Thank you, Fukuda, Steve Meister, and yeah, thanks. Sa akong backup na camera girl, my girl, Rochelle, Gabatanya. Yeah! Boy, zero, yo.
Alright, okay.
Kris,
Diddle. I think all 3 rounds got Diddle. Respect sa ilang dua. Dua ka different styles ang nag-clash karon nga gabi. Si Diddle kay more on sa iyang pag-construct sa iyang verses is very complex, and kanang ang iyang rhymes, ang iyang motives kay grabe ka complicated and respect ka na. Though akong gipili is Kris Change because kanang more on the aspect na kanang nag-focus siya sa kung sa mga past performances ni Diddle. Kris Change is more on kanang personal sa nga atake. Though na siya yung mga slip-ups, na siya yung mga chokes, but kanang somehow ako siyang disregard because kanang I prefer nga kanang if your rap battle would be more personal and it would be more direct. Pero respect kay Diddle. It was really good. It was a really good comeback and respect sa lang do. Kris Change.
So, round 1, rhyme scheme wise, they were on par. Punchline wise, Kris Change was the edge, mama na angel, but I give it to Diddle for the rebuttals. Round 2, mas punchline si Kris Change, mas pasok. Then third round, Diddle was not on the battle anymore, so rounds 2 and 3, Kris Change overall.
What the fuck? You're English, no?
Yo, Anin, boy. I scored the battle like 2-1. First round, Kris Change got first round. Second, third, Diddle. Obviously, Diddle came in very prepared. And for Kris Change, he got a few slip-ups. And mad respect for Kris Change though for putting the shit up. And yo, shouts out to Diddle and Diddle 2-1.
Next performer nga pala, no? It's Tomasaco. Boys.
Sa kay Kris Change 1 and 3. Round 2 para tayo. Diddle. Round 1.
Challenge kay Pukuya Dips. Berandi sa cellphone memory. Salamat. Kaso di siya